Good morning, student. Now we are going to read the next part of chapter Delhi, and in this part we will talk about the different monuments which are located in the Delhi. So first of all, student, look here. Here is a picture of the Red Fort. What is this? This is Red Fort, and it was built by the Emperor Shah Jahan at the time of the Mughal. And on every year on 15th August, the Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag at the Red Fort, and this is made up of the red sandstone. That's why it is called the Red Fort. So student, come to the next picture. You can see this is the picture of the India Gate. This is the picture of the India Gate, and India Gate, under this the Amar Jawan Jyoti burns all the time of the day in the memory of the soldier who sacrificed their life for our country. So next monument of Delhi, I'll show you the picture. So look here, student, this is the picture of the Qutub Minar, and Qutub Minar, it was built in the time of the Sultanate period. When sultans came to India, they built this prolific building, and it was built by the Qutbuddin Aibak. And this building, Qutub Minar, its first story made by the Qutbuddin Aibak, and after that Iltutmish, the next ruler, and you will read in your next classes about these Sultanate different ruler of the Sultanate period. They made the next stories of the Qutub Minar, and I want to tell you about the height of the Qutub Minar. It is 72.5 meter high. 72.5-meter high, and 378 stairs are there. This building is also made up of the red sandstone and the white marble, and this building is also and is now in the UNESCO World Heritage Site. So next picture I want to show you, student. This is the picture of the Alai Darwaja. What is this? This is the picture of the Alai Darwaja, and it was built about the Alauddin Khilji. It is also located in the Delhi. So student, number of the monuments are there, and these monuments are the tourist attraction place of the Delhi. So next we will talk about the Rashtrapati Bhavan. As you know, the President of India, he lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and every year this Rashtrapati Bhavan, it is open for the local people because it has number of the gardens. So next, student, here is a picture of the Parliament House. Parliament House, it is also a government building, and the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, they work from this building, and all the law of your country are made in this building. So it is a government official. Now student, I want to tell you about some buildings which are the religious building, and they are for the worship place of the different religion. So first of all, here is a picture of the Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple, it is also known as the Baha'i Temple, and it is also a worship place. Here is a picture of the Saint Joseph Church, Saint James Church, and this is the religious building of the Christians. Now I want to show you one more picture. Here is the picture of the Gurdwara Bangla Sahib. It is also the religious place. Bangla Sahib Gurdwara is a religious place. Now student, I want to show you one more monument of the Delhi, and this is the Jama Masjid, and it is made up of the red and white marble with the black lines on it, and it is the largest mosque of India. It is also a worship place. And one more picture, one more monument is there. This is the Humayun tomb. Humayun tomb, it was built by in the memory of the Humayun by his widow Hamida Banu Begum. she made in the memory of the Humayun. This is the tomb of Humayun. So student, you have read about the different monuments which are located in the Delhi, and side by side, and all these monuments are the tourist attraction place, and other buildings are also there, like the Dolls museums are there, and Delhi University is there. You can see the zoological park, and you can visit the Apu Ghar. All these are the tourist attraction place of the Delhi. So student, I want to discuss about the culture of the Delhi. So culture of the Delhi, as you know, people from the different state of India used to live in the Delhi, and thus the most of the major festival are celebrated here, such as the Holi, Eid, Christmas, Diwali, Lohri, Baisakhi and Pongal. Delhi has number of the places of the worship that I told to you, like I have shown you the picture of the Gurdwara Bangla Sahib, Birla Mandir is there, Jama Masjid is there. All these monuments or all these places are the place of the worship, and it is also the center of the learning. Delhi University is the center of the learning, and all the Jawaharlal University is there, Jamia University is there. After that you can visit the many places like the Bal Bhavan and the Doll Museum, Science Museum, Craft, Apu Ghar, Rail Museum in the Delhi. So let us talk about the sports and the entertainment. Delhi is the second most populous city in the India. It has world class sports facility, and you know, in 2010 the first and the ninth Asian Games were held in Delhi, and these games were known as the Commonwealth game of the Delhi, and it was hosted by the India, and in Chandni Chowk, Delhi Haat, Connaught Place, Lajpat Nagar and Kamla Nagar, all these are the important marketplaces for the shopping. So student, in this part of the video we have learn or we have read about the different monuments of the Delhi which are located, and side by side in Delhi you can visit there is Rajghat is there, and Vijay Ghat is there, and all these places are the visit by the many people every year visit here, and like this. So here I want to tell you about the as you know that Delhi is many people live here, so they bring their own culture and their style of the wearing cloth, and most of the person in Delhi used to wear trouser and the shirts, and the women here wear the sari, salwar, kameez. Like the modern city of the world, women and girl, they also wear the trousers, skirts, etc. So people from the religion, all the religion and the reason, they come here for work and live in the Delhi. So Delhi has many major festival, and these festival are celebrated by the people of Delhi with peace and harmony. Thank you students.